everybody, it's Randy with Carchaeology, and I wanted to give you a quick update as to what's been going on. Obviously, I've been absent from YouTube for the past couple of weeks, and for very good reason. But if you have been following my other social media accounts, specifically Instagram, where I post up an awful lot of stuff, you will know where I've been and what I've been up to, and oh my God, it has been absolutely incredible. So please, if you do not follow me on Instagram, I would love for you to do so. The name is Buggenbox, Bugnbox. You can also just search hashtag Carchaeology, and you'll find a bunch of posts. But in the long and short of it is that we did a 2-week trip over to England, attended the Goodwood Revival, which is probably the most spectacular vintage automotive event that exists in the world. Maybe that's a bold statement, but I don't think many will argue with that. Absolutely incredible adventure. During that trip, I got a chance to drive the racetrack with a group of Myers-Manx dune buggies. I will post some videos of that as a separate video. There was the vintage racing, there was all the vintage clothing, everything else going on there. And there was also an auction on site there, a Bonhams auction that I got involved with on behalf of a client here in the U.S. And we bought an absolutely incredible historic hot rod built in England that I will share another video with there as well. Other fun stuff going on, continued work in the garage. Things have been slow, obviously, while I've been away, but some cool stuff happening. We found some great information on the Pimp Cadillac that is kind of bubbling up to the surface. I look forward to sharing some more about that car with you soon. We've negotiated on a small collection of vintage Volvos that's up in the local mountains here. I'm going to be dragging these cool cars out of this long-term owner's yard and sharing the adventure with you. Other fun stuff coming up. I'm flying out this weekend to check out a collection of 200 cars that is in an undisclosed location at this point. But there are some amazing machines that I've been tempted with. These folks have called me up and want my help, hopefully, with selling some of this stuff. So I'm going to fly out there, spend the weekend going through this collection, and hopefully share some of the best finds with all of you and help find some homes for that. Other fun stuff going on out at the Cabazon estate. Vehicles are moving there. We did sell the 56 Cadillac convertible. That is gone. Next week, I plan on going out there again to see what's next. I think we're probably going to attack a couple of other cars that are there and gear up for a larger estate sale of the huge pile of parts that are out there. Other cool events coming up. There's a British car festival in San Diego that I'm kind of gearing up to go to at the beginning of October, and I'm going to bring out 2 of our British cars to share with the crowd there, and I'm looking forward to that. Let's see, other events going on. Man, there's a whole bunch. I barely feel like I've gotten over jet lag from the UK trip, and I'm going to be hopping on a plane again tomorrow. But let's see, other fun stuff. Oh, the Honda CRX, the twin-engine CRX. Still waiting for the Leno video to pop on that. They keep pushing that back. It was supposed to have dropped a couple weeks ago, but then they rescheduled. It was supposed to go again this upcoming weekend, but that got pushed back, and now we're looking at maybe December before that actually airs. But whenever that happens, it's going to be awesome to share that with all of you. In any case, I think that's about it. Is that enough? Have I done enough in the past couple of weeks? Let me know in the comments. In any case, watch for some videos. I'm going to do a couple of quick ones here before I take off on the trip to check out this huge collection. I'm going to do one on the incredible hot rod discovery that we grabbed out of this auction in England and is coming to the U.S. And we'll share that with you. And then I also want to share with you some videos and photos of the incredible parade laps in Myers-Manx dune buggies at the Goodwood Revival. So please tune in, watch for those, and watch for more of the Goodwood adventure, some of the other England stuff, as well as the upcoming collections of Volvos in the mountains and 200 cars in warehouses out in, I'm not going to tell you. But in any case, it's going to be fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep on digging them up and driving them. Bye-bye.